Hey, what's up guys? It's Ollie from Betterwell Warriors. I'm shooting another video for you guys today. You're gonna love this one for sure. It's another traffic getting strategy. We show you a bunch of different stuff yet, guys, and I hope you enjoy this, because if you apply this in your business, you can get some really good results. And it's powerful stuff, guys, that we're showing you. We've been online studying this internet marketing thing for years. We've been investing thousands and thousands of dollars. So this information is worth a lot, guys, and we just give it to you for free, completely free, and just to show you the possibilities and give you some ideas, different traffic getting strategies, ideas that you can apply to promote your online business, guys, or any business. So that's it. Today I want to show you a strategy that it can work really good, but you have to focus on it, and it's not something you're gonna do once and have some good results. You have to do it over and over again. But in some case it's free, in some case it's gonna cost you a bit of money, but it won't cost you, it will never cost you a lot of money, guys, and you can get a bunch of leads from it. You can generate some sales, so that's cool. So the first place I want to show you, first of all, this thing is called classified ads, okay? And I did a previous training on a newspaper ad, and it's a bit like putting an ad in a newspaper, but instead of being like an offline newspaper, it's gonna be more like an online classified. So I'm sure you heard about this website before. It's called Craigslist, because there's a bunch of traffic on Craigslist. And here's the website. You can go here, you can create an account for free, or you don't even have to create an account to post an ad. And you can post an ad on whatever city you want in a whole bunch of different countries. So that's it. You can just post your ad for free, or in some case you have to pay $25 per ad. It's not too much expensive, and you can have you can generate, like, just from one ad. I saw some people like generating like 70 to 80 leads with one single ad. So you can generate a lot of leads, and you can make some sales from it, guys. So that's it. The first place I wanted to show you is Craigslist. And what's cool about Craigslist, guys, because I don't know if you know this, but we go on Alexa, and Alexa is just a place online that ranks every single website. And I went on Alexa to check Craigslist.org, and it's the number 10th most visited sites in the United States, guys. So it gets a bunch of traffic. So that's really good. And another thing I noticed is that 90% of their traffic, like it says over here, 90.3% of their traffic comes from the United States. So even if you live in another country, if you post some ads on Craigslist, I suggest you post some ads in the US countries, in the US cities, guys, sorry, because most of their traffic, 90% of their traffic comes from the US. So that's how you're gonna get the most out of Craigslist. And another cool place I wanted to show you that I learned about a few weeks ago is called Backpage. Oh, sorry, that's the website, backpage.com. It's a lot like Craigslist. It has a bit less traffic than Craigslist to this website, but there's a bunch of traffic also. I went on Alexa to check it, and it's the 145 most visited sites in the US. So that's really good. And I think it's 60. They get 66.6% of their traffic from the US. So I still suggest you target US cities if you put some ad on Backpage, because that's where the most of the traffic come from. And there's some ads on Backpage you can do for free. Sometimes they're gonna ask you to pay for it, but it's really cheap. if you, let's say you want to put like an ad in all the states in the United States for like a week, it's gonna cost you like around $30 or something. So it's really, really powerful. It's the 145 sites, the most visited 145 most visited sites in the US, so they get a bunch of traffic, and for like $30 to have your ad show up in every single states, it's crazy, guys. You can have some really, really good results with this. So that's it. I just want to give you another like golden nugget traffic getting strategy that you can implement in your business and get a whole bunch of leads and make some sales, guys. So that's it. If you like this stuff, we show you more in Big ID Mastermind, so you can always join our team. I hope you like this video. Take care. Talk soon.